Lion CIC113 Carb and Fuel Injector Cleaner is a concentrated cleaner for carburetors and fuel injector systems. It prevents rust and protects against fuel line freezing. To use, simply remove the cap and pour entire chemical contents into the fuel tank. Most Lion additives treat up to 20 gallons, and some may be considered hazardous, so always use caution. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.